welcome back to my channel. Hello again. Oh my god, I'm so grainy. Well, for this episode, I'm going to share to you guys my review about this very great product that I discovered. It's Teami Greens Superfood blend. It's matcha, spirulina, wheatgrass, and more dietary supplement. I'm really excited actually to share to all of you guys this product kasi, well, I do honest review ha. You know, this is not a sponsored vlog, but I really love this product because actually this product helped me to boost my immune system and also to recover fast from my COVID-19 last January. So yes, if you're going to ask me if I'm going to recommend this product, Teami Greens, yes, I definitely recommend this product and I'm going to tell you why. But before that, of course, well, I'm going to drink also while I'm talking my Teami Green. Ito siya. This is what it looks like. Feels so healthy, feels so green, feels so organic. My God, tastes really nice. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell and like this video, and also check out my other review of products here and other vlogs in my channel, and check out my playlist. If you have time, check out my Facebook page and also subscribe to my Patreon account. I already used it. More than half na yung nagamit ko. I used already half of this product. And yes, yeah, ganyan siya. To other people that not aware, I was COVID-19 positive last January 2022, and when I recovered, I really need to gain strength. I need to bring back my energy, and this product, I saw it online, I read about it, I researched about this product, and I decided to order it online for, it's like 1,600 pesos. It's like $30, 30 US dollars. Well, it's very good. Malaking container siya. It's a big container actually. Good for more than a month. 30 scoop or more than a month of usage. Well, anyway, I'm going to show you also the videos, actual videos na tinitake ko siya. That actual videos I'm taking it and making it and drinking it. The ingredients of this product, well, it has a wheatgrass, chlorophyll powder, spirulina powder, chlorella powder, spinach leaf powder, broccoli, kale powder, kelp, rocket leaf powder, parsley powder, celery powder, grapeseed extract, dandelion extract. O, diba? Very powerful, very organic, and great things about this, the reason why I like this product, kasi you can drink it just using water, just add water, or you can make it as a juice, treat it as a juice, or put it to your smoothie, make it a smoothie, porridge, or mix it with your foods, or mix it with your salad. Great things about this product, ewan ko, I love this product. Great thing about this product, our promise, they promise, this company promise, 16 superfood ingredients, 100% plant-based, vegan, GMO free, gluten-free, dairy, soy-free, diba? And made without fillers, additives, no additives, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, no artificial chemicals. That is the reason why I love this product. Very organic and very healthy, and I prove it to myself. That's why I like this, and I'm sharing it to you guys because, well, almost, kita nyo naman, almost done na siya. Anyway guys, here's my actual videos na tinitake ko. I'm taking this product, using it in the morning and drinking it. Yes, okay. Teami Greens Superfood. So yes, and it smells nice, It smells like very healthy, rich in vegetables. And this is texture. Yeah. Good morning. Another day, another morning of Teami Green. Hot water. You can mix it with your smoothie or other drink. But me, I like it this way. I like it. I feel so energetic. You taking this so far. Yes, I got it. Ang laman niya, yan, ganyan siya. Smells like strong matcha tea. It's all mix of vegetable, healthy vegetable. It's a very healthy drink, a very healthy and nutritious product. Yes, drinking again my Teami Green. So then, yes, big check. I really recommend this product because this helped me to recover fast, gain energy, boost my immune system, and also aside from helping me to boost my immune system and for fast recovery from COVID-19, actually I noticed na I gain energy from this, And Teami Greens is a nutritious blend of plant-based superfoods, perfect for getting a daily dose of powerful greens into your life. Direction, I only do 1 scoop. So, full yun okay, wait. Ito. 1 scoop, sometimes half, sometimes full scoop. For more information, if you like also to check other products from this company, Teami Greens, then check out teamiblends.com. Again, www.teamiblends.com. You can see a lot of information, story, origin of this product, and also the other products. So yes, you already watched it. Well, until now, I'm drinking it for today. Feels so greeny. Well, anyway, if you like to purchase this product, it's available on Lazada and also Shopee. Well, I have a trusted seller at Shopee. I purchased it for 1,620, including the shipping fee. You can connect with them. You can follow in Instagram and Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and TikTok. I'm very satisfied from this one, and fully recommend it. Well, thank you for watching this video, this vlog, and see you again to my next vlog. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out my other vlogs here in my channel. Bye bye.